Let's take a quick look at Dogecoin. Alright, we're looking at the daily chart for Dogecoin, and the data I have is to about 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on December the 17th, just another 10 days before Christmas. I wonder if Santa is going to show up for the Dogecoin holders. 4 days ago, Elon tweeted, and when the Godfather tweeted, those spiked. Saw this massive increase in buying volume. Those spiked to about 22 cents. But after that, it seemed like the good news wears out pretty fast. Then we see those continue to retrace. The price dipped all the way down to about 16.2 cents earlier this morning. Temporarily found support, bounce up. Right now, Doge is trading at 17.2 cents, or down about 0.5%. The most critical thing is the price dropped below this red line, which is the 10 days moving average. And right now, Doge is in the process of trying to cross over the 10 day. It's really important that Doge needs to close today, which is at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, over the 10 days moving average. So we're looking at Doge needs to close at around 17.5 cents and stabilize over that. Because it closed below the 10 days, then there's a very good chance that two things could happen. First, Doge could re-enter this downward channel. Second thing is, as long as the price is trading below the 10 days, seller could likely push the price down a lot more. As you can see, every time when the price dropped below this 10 days moving average, after that, seller just piled on it and continued to drive the price down. That is definitely something that we do not want to see. Let's take a quick look at Doge on this 1 hour chart. Doge was trending down following this downward channel. Then Elon tweeted, the price spiked. Doge was able to cross over and close over the resistance of this downward channel. After that, the price retraced, but the minute it dropped down and tested the support of this downward channel, there is definitely some buying support. Bounce up. Early today, the price continued to retrace, pretty much breakdown. Doge dropped below the 10 days moving average and dropped all the way to about 16.2. Temporarily dropped below the resistance of this downward channel. But again, we saw buying support. So far right now, the price bounced up and Doge is trading at 17 cents, which is outside of the downward channel. Yesterday, when we look at Doge, I mentioned that given the fact that after the price dropped all the way down to about 12.5 cents, and then the next time when it's retraced, dropped down to about 15.09, Doge was creating this higher low. And the ideal scenario would be for Doge to start establishing this upward channel. Seems like that is what's happening. Because when the price dipped down to this point, which is where it tests the support of this upward channel, it bounces up. So as long as Doge can stay or ride the support of this upward channel, then we are looking at this downtrend. Let's just remove it. Is pretty much done. And now we are looking at Doge begin to reverse in price following this upward channel. The angle is very shallow, so we may see those trade pretty much sideways, but it should trend up. On the daily chart, as you can see right now, Doge is struggling to stay over the 10 days moving average. And early today, it tested the support of this upward channel. So as long as Doge can ride the support, then we are looking at Doge would slowly but continue to trend up. So even though right now, Doge is definitely looking bad, but I still believe that this is the bottom, and sometime later on today or tomorrow, Doge should be able to cross over the 10 days moving average. The key price that I'm monitoring is at 17.5 cents. If Doge can regain and trade at or over 17.5 cents, then there's a very good probability that we would likely see the price continue to trade sideways, but trending up. The next target would be at 19.1 cents. And then eventually 22 cents, where it would retest this prior high that is right after Elon tweeted. So in summary, Doge is definitely down, but I don't think it is out yet. It is starting to show sign that this could potentially be this reversal in price that is about to take place. Hopefully that Doge is not going to prove me wrong. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.